Good morning, students. I'm Professor G.D. Patil, Assistant Professor, Department of Processing and Food Engineering, KKO College of Agriculture Engineering and Technology, Nashik. So today's we are going to study on the topic Introduction and Initial Processing Operations. Okay. The introductions. Generally, new and improved crop varieties become an important agriculture input. Only when seed of such varieties are available to farmers, variety pure in viable conditions, also free of contaminating weed seed and in adequate quantities at the right place and time. Okay. The seed processing is an integral part of the technology involves in transforming the genetic engineering of the plant breeder and genetist into improved seed. Okay, this is called a seed processing. Generally, seed growers and producers are dependent on the seed processor for preparation of their seed for market. The quality of the final product, regardless of its inherent capacity to produce, is directly related to the processor ability to remove contaminants and low quality seed, to properly size grade for the precision planting, to treat the seed effectively, and to prevent mechanical mixture of the seed with those of other varieties or hybrid seed. Okay. In turn, the processor's ability to render these services efficiently, effectively, is greatly affected by the types of processing and handling equipment available to him, the arrangement within the plant, his skill in operating them, and his knowledge of seed characteristics and how they relate to processing. So this is the flowchart illustrating types of materials that are removed from the seed during processing. Means after harvesting, this is the harvested seed, then threshed, then shelled and dried seed. Number of contaminants removed from the good seed: inert material, common weed seed, noxious weed seed, other crop seed, deteriorated seed, other variety seed, damaged seed, and offset seed. And then final marketable seed, clean seed, graded seed, treated seed, pack and tested seed. Okay. Then seeds are processed to remove contaminants, to size grade of plantability, to upgrade quality through the removal of damaged or deteriorated seed, and to apply seed treatment materials. The demands of the seed producer and seed consumer require that these four objectives be achieved effectively, efficiently, and with minimal damage to the seed. A variety of equipment is available for processing seed. They range from the simple winnowing tray, seed used in many areas of the world, to complex and highly sophisticated equipment such as the electric sorting machine. Okay. From the olden days, generally simple winnowing tray use also still used in many areas of the world, to complex and highly sophisticated equipment such as the electric sorting machine for the seed separation. Okay, the choice of machine or sequence of machine for processing seed depends on the kind of seed being processed, also nature and kinds of the contaminants like weed seed, other crop seed, and matter, etc. The quantity of each in the raw seed and the quality standards that must be met. Okay. Principles of seed processing. Modern seed processor is basically interested in five things. First is complete separation, means removal of all contaminating or undesirable material from the seed. Second, minimum seed loss. Some good seed are removed along with contaminants in almost every processing operation, but these loss must be kept at minimum. Third, upgrading quality. Improvement of seed quality not only through removal of contaminating seed, but also removal of rotten, cracked, broken, insect damaged, or otherwise injured or low quality crops. Fourth, efficiency. The highest capacity consistent with effectiveness of separation. And last, fifth, minimum labor requirement. Labor is direct operating cost and cannot be recovered. Okay, so basically modern seed processor is interested in these five things. Okay, so this is the figure shows basic flow diagram showing essential steps in seed processing. The first essential step in seed processing industries is receiving, then bulk storage. Okay, means the work storage, conditioning and pre-cleaning, then cleaning, then separating, then treating and bagging, and then storage and shipping. Okay. The steps in seed processing. The seed processing operations can be broken down into several different steps that follow in specific sequence. The first step is receiving. The seed arrive at the processing plant in bags, pallet, boxes, or in bulk. Okay. From the receiving station, the seed go into bulk storage to be held for later processing or directly into processing line for cleaning. Okay. The next step is seed processing is conditioning and pre-cleaning. This includes removal of appendages, large pieces of trash, debudding to remove worms or hulling the seed. Okay. The first actual cleaning Our upgrading step is basic cleaning. The air screen machine is probably the most common basic cleaner. It makes the size separation and aspirates the seed. Seed lots may come from the field in good condition, few contaminating seeds, and require cleaning only on the air screen machine. Most often, however, it is necessary to send the seed through one or more specific separating or upgrading machines to remove specific contaminants. Okay, these special machines separate crop and weed seed by difference in their specific physical characteristics. Okay, for effective and efficient separation, the crop seed must differ from the weed seed sufficiently to some characteristics so that the machines can differentiate to physical properties. Okay, means as per the physical properties. When all possible inert material and weed or other crop seed have been removed, the seed are ready for bagging. Okay, sometimes a fungicide or insecticide treatment is applied before they are bagged. Okay, then seed may be shipped directly to other seed companies or held in storage until they are needed. Okay, so these are essential steps in seed process industries. Okay, in general seed process. Thank you.